Hi, in this video we are going to discuss two things. First is how you can manage your display resolution, and other is when you are facing a issue of graying out of your selection of your resolution settings. So first I shall going to tell you how you can manage your display resolution, and for this you have to right click on your desktop, and in settings you have to select display setting option, and when you see the property window open you have to go to the display settings and its properties, where you can change your resolution. And you can see that there is a drop down which displays resolutions which are available to you, so you can change your display resolution. You can change your display resolution from here. And now the other thing is, some people face that this display resolution property box is grayed out, and for that you have to go to advanced settings, which is given at the bottom of this property box. You can see that advanced display setting option is here, and you have to click on this, and now you can see that your adapter information is given here, which is attached to your display, and you have to go to properties for this adapter, and this you can go by clicking on the link displayed at the bottom. Now I am minimizing my window because a property window has opened when I clicked on the adapter properties. You can see that a property window in front of me, and now the adapter information is given here. In my case it is AMD Radeon R5 graphics, and in your case what the model you have purchased. And now I am going to properties of this adapter, and from here I am going to driver tab, and from this property box what I can do is I can update the driver. When I click on the button update driver, I see two options. One is I can browse for the driver if I have already downloaded it, or otherwise you can select search automatically for updated driver software. It will automatically search for you and update the driver. When I click on this, system is searching for me online for drivers. So in my case it is giving me information that the best drivers for your device are already installed. So now, and in your case if you are lacking the latest driver, then it will be installed and you may be having your issue removed. But still, if you are facing the issue, what you can do is close this property box and come back onto the driver details and click on the uninstalled driver, and then restart your system, and then come back to this property box again and install the latest driver again, and then by this way you will be able to remove the issue. So friends, I think this small video will be handy tool for you for managing your display resolution. Thank you friends.